Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Akanksha Puri has steadily emerged as a modern fashion icon, blending elegance with edgy flair in a way that feels both fresh and confident. Her wardrobe is a stunning tapestry of contemporary trends, bold silhouettes, and statement-making pieces that showcase her evolving style. Whether she's attending a red carpet event, walking the ramp, or sharing moments from her travels on social media, she consistently turns heads with her sartorial choices. One of her signature looks involves sleek bodycon dresses in rich hues like emerald green, deep wine, or metallic silver that highlight her statuesque figure while maintaining a chic sophistication. She often balances these with minimalist accessories, allowing the outfit itself to shine. At the same time, Akanksha isn't afraid to play with bold prints, asymmetrical cuts, or dramatic necklines, often opting for off-shoulder or one-shoulder ensembles that add a touch of glam. Her modern fashion journey also includes experimenting with co-ord sets, cropped blazers with flared pants, or bralettes paired with high-waisted skirts that exude boss lady energy with a feminine twist. When it comes to casual chic, she keeps it sharp and effortless with oversized denim jackets, crop tops, ripped jeans, and trendy sneakers, nailing the balance between comfort and style. In the ethnic fusion category, she is often seen in Indo-Western outfits. Think cape lehengas, ruffled saris, or palazzo suits with halter tops, each one carefully styled to reflect both modernity and cultural richness. Her choice of makeup and hair usually complements her overall look, often opting for dewy skin, defined eyes, nude lips, and beachy waves or sleek buns that enhance the clean lines of her outfits. She also embraces modern power suits, often seen in monochrome or pastel shades, which she pairs with bold heels and layered jewelry to make a powerful fashion statement. Her red carpet appearances, in particular, are known for their glam quotient. She dazzles in designer gowns with plunging necklines, thigh-high slits, or intricate cutouts that add a touch of allure without compromising on elegance. She often completes such looks with metallic clutches, stilettos, and sharp contouring that gives her an unmistakably high fashion presence. Her social media posts further highlight her style versatility. One day she's rocking a breezy resort dress by the beach, and the next she's in a high-slit latex dress for a photo shoot, showing just how confidently she transitions across fashion genres. Through every look, what remains consistent is her ability to carry herself with poise and charisma, making each outfit not just a piece of fabric but a statement of who she is. Her fashion journey is a testament to self-expression, confidence, and a deep understanding of what works for her personality and frame. Whether it's a sultry evening dress, a playful jumpsuit, or a sharply tailored ensemble, Akanksha knows how to own the look. Her fashion sensibilities, it's clear that she embraces versatility as one of her strongest style weapons. She isn't confined to one fashion lane. Her wardrobe is a celebration of multiple moods and aesthetics. For instance, when she's in the mood for drama, she opts for voluminous gowns or dresses with elaborate sleeves, intricate ruffles, or flowing capes that bring movement and grandeur to her silhouette. She has a keen eye for textures: velvet, sequins, chiffon, latex, leather, each chosen carefully to suit the vibe of the occasion. This attention to fabric quality elevates even the simplest of outfits. One day she's dazzling in a backless sequin mini dress paired with gladiator heels and bold red lips, and the next, she's effortlessly pulling off a leather corset top with cargo pants and combat boots, seamlessly blending high fashion with street edge. She is also a strong advocate for sustainable and statement fashion, often supporting up-and-coming designers and homegrown Indian labels that fuse global silhouettes with desi craftsmanship. She has been seen in structured gowns featuring hand-embroidered details or cocktail saris with contemporary draping. These pieces serve as beautiful bridges between tradition and innovation. Her fashion-forward mindset is evident in how she styles each outfit with intention. From color block separates to monochrome looks with a pop of contrast accessories, she creates impact while maintaining balance. Her footwear game, too, deserves special mention. She switches between strappy metallic heels, white boots, embellished jute tees, and chunky sneakers, each adding a distinct personality to her ensemble. Even in her travel looks, she manages to keep her style quotient high. Be it a breezy floral dress in the Maldives, a boho chic romper during a beach getaway, or a luxe trench coat with knee-high boots while vacationing in Europe, she always looks camera-ready. Sunglasses, hats, sling bags, and dainty jewelry often complete her travel diaries, showing that fashion never takes a backseat, even while she's on the move. Her airport looks deserve their own spotlight, always a mix of casual cool and understated elegance. Her Instagram feed serves as a modern digital lookbook, where each post seems like a page from a fashion magazine. She poses confidently, playing with light, backdrops, and themes, giving fashion lovers a closer look at how modern styling works in real-world and glam world settings. She frequently collaborates with photographers and stylists who help her execute bold fashion experiments, whether it's a high-fashion latex shoot, a futuristic bodysuit, or a neon-themed outfit with UV makeup. Akanksha dives into creative zones that blur the lines between fashion and art. Another commendable element of her modern fashion choices is her ability to reflect her personality through her wardrobe. She exudes a mix of grace and power, softness and intensity, and her fashion reflects that duality. Even her most daring outfits never feel over the top because she wears them with confidence and self-assurance. From sultry thigh-slit gowns to bold cut-out dresses or sheer panels, she always manages to keep her look polished rather than provocative. It's the way she carries herself, with poise and control, that turns bold choices into empowering statements. She often embodies different fashion personas, from a futuristic diva in metallic bodysuits to an ethereal goddess in feathered couture. She's not afraid to blur the lines between fantasy and fashion, using high-concept styling to tell a visual story. Her ability to morph her style across themes grunge, boho, glam, street, or vintage is a testament to her adaptability. For example, a leather-on-leather look with kohl-rimmed eyes can easily be followed by a whimsical pastel dress with floral accessories, showcasing her ability to transform without losing her individuality. Another important dimension of Akanksha's fashion choices lies in her love for bold color palettes. She embraces vibrant shades like fuchsia pinks, electric blues, fiery reds, and deep purples, often styling them in monochrome or contrast layers to create visual drama. Even her neutrals are never basic, be it a nude beige power suit with sharp tailoring or an ivory satin slip dress paired with a bold lip and gold heels. Color for Akanksha is never accidental, it's a form of visual punctuation that helps express her mood, her power, and her poise. Beyond glamorous events and photo shoots, her influence in the modern Indian fashion space extends into how she redefines everyday glam. Her grunge looks often consist of floral midi dresses, oversized sunglasses, dainty chains, and pastel mules, effortlessly chic yet elevated. At music festivals or private parties, she leans into boho glam aesthetics, opting for sequin jackets over bralettes, high-waisted shorts, chunky boots, and bohemian accessories like stacked rings and feathered earrings. These off-duty looks show that her fashion sense is rooted in creative spontaneity while still being curated to perfection. She also represents the new age woman, bold, independent, and unapologetically fashionable. Her looks exude that sentiment. She embraces body positivity, confidently flaunting her curves in figure-hugging dresses, backless gowns, and midriff-bearing crop tops. Her fashion isn't about hiding flaws, it's about celebrating form, fit, and flair. She doesn't conform to a single style box, and that makes her incredibly relatable to young women who want to explore fashion beyond trends. Her accessory game also adds layers to her modern appeal. The actress is often seen in chunky chokers, oversized hoops, sculptural rings, and edgy ear cuffs. When she wants to go subtle, she brings in delicate gold chains, anklets, or a pair of classic diamond studs. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.